Hi scholars! Today I figured we could work together to make some flowers and do a little bit of crafting. So to make these special flowers, you could use some cupcake liners if you have some, or if your parents have any coffee filters, you can make big flowers. And if you don't have either one, that's okay. You could just use plain paper. So let's just think of all different creative ways that we can make flowers with things that we have at home. I'm going to use the cupcake wrappers, some glitter, because I love glitter, but make sure you get help with the glitter. Don't pour the glitter by yourself, because it will go all over. A scissor, and I'm going to use some Warm and Fuzzies, because I love those also. And I have two kinds of glue, a glue stick and Elmer's glue, but I ran out, so I have a different kind of glue. So see what kind of glue you have at home and make sure you get help before you get the supplies out. Your moms and dads could help you. Go find all the supplies. And a scissor. And I'm gonna use some crayons. So if you take the cupcake liner or a big coffee filter, or even just a circle piece of paper, I'm gonna flatten it out a little bit. And I'm going to, mine is brown, so I'm just gonna try my best. That's the one that I had at home. So I'm gonna color the circle in the middle, any color that you want. This is one of my favorite colors. It's pinkish, a dark pink, pinkish red. And then I'm going to make the outside really colorful. I'm gonna almost make some lines a little bit. Some green. I want to add a little bit of pink. Maybe let some of the brown show through. That might look nice. You could color it any color that you want. You could do one color, many colors. And add a little bit of blue. Maybe some yellow. It might not show up too well on the brown. And one more color. We'll add a light green. So now I'm going to take my scissor and I'm going to put some snips. So remember how you hold your scissor with your thumb up. And we'll do some snips. Snip. Snip, just little snips. I don't want to cut through the center. And these will be my petals. You can do a lot of snips or a few snips. And then I'm going to take my glue stick and I'm just going to do the circle part. So I turned it over so it's upside down and just the circle. But I'm gonna put plenty of glue on the circle, not the petals. Make sure you put your cap on and you could hear it snap closed. So your glue doesn't dry out. I'm gonna flip it, pat it down and give it a rub. And now I have the start of a flower. What am I missing? I think I need a stem. So let me make a nice long stem for my flower. And what else does a flower have? Petals, that's right. So I'm going to add some green petals. And maybe some grass on the bottom. And if you want, you could even put another flower next to it. If you don't have the same supplies at home, that's okay. You could even add in, if you have any glitter or pom-poms or any other little buttons or fun things, you could even add those into the flower and decorate it that way. So I'm really excited to see the flowers that you make at home, and don't forget to send pictures to Mrs. Gallagher and Mrs. P so we can see all of your artwork. Have fun!